Clifford the Bird Dog, The Windy Day, a Scratch and Sniff Storybook. As seen on CBC Canada. Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog. Clifford always tries his best to make me happy. One day, I was painting a picture of Clifford in Birdwell Island Park. I was almost finished when the wind blew my painting up and away. Clifford ran after it. But he didn't see Mr. Bleakman, who was feeding some birds. Oops! Sorry, Mr. Bleakman! Then Clifford saw my painting drift towards Sheriff Lewis. So Clifford followed it. Sheriff Lewis was eating a yummy cupcake, sorry about that. But when Clifford went rushing through, Tebow got the taste of too. When my painting flew toward the playground, Clifford finally caught it. He was so excited that he didn't see Jetta. Uh-oh. Again, Clifford was very sorry. I was happy to get my painting book, but everyone else was mad. Clifford shouldn't look where he's going. He's making a mess. Clifford didn't mean to cause trouble. He just wanted to get my painting for me. I took Clifford to the pier where Charlie was selling lemonade. Suddenly, it got very, very windy. Everyone gathered on the pier. What's going on? We wondered. Then we looked toward the sea. It was a tornado. And it was heading toward Birdwell Island. What are we going to do? We cried. We were all scared. Except for Clifford, that is. My big, brave red dog swarmed out into the sea. He took a deep breath and blew the tornado far, far away. Birdwell Island was safe. Birdwell Island was safe. Clifford may have caused a little trouble that day, but in the end, he was a hero. Hooray for Clifford!